Hello and namaskar everyone. My name is Bianca. I am from grade 3. I am 8 years old. Today I am going to show you how to make a model of layers of earth. So let's start. At first I am going to show you the materials we need to make the model. We need some colorful papers such as red, blue, black, yellow, green and orange. We need scissor and glue, and we need pencil to make lines. Let's move on to make the model. At first we need blue paper to make a circle of the earth. Let's start together. I make this circle with the help of plate. Now we have to cut this with the scissor. This is my circle. Now we need green paper. We need this green paper to make the land. Now I cut this. Now we have to cut the blue paper like triangle. I'm going to paste this land in the earth. Now we have to make a curve. We have to make curve in all the colorful papers, and we have to cut it. We have to cut the curve lines like this, and we have to paste it. I already cut it. Now I am going to paste it. I finished pasting it. Now we have to paste this all in the earth like this. Now my model is ready. How is it? Comment down below. Now I am going to label the parts of the earth. This is the crust. It is the most thinnest part. We live in the crust. All human beings, plants and animals live in the crust. This is mantle. core. And this is inner core. There are two types of core. There are inner core and outer core. In mental, outer core and inner core, there is no one. But in Christ, we all live in there.